Welcome to hybrids.co.nz. In this video, we show you the results of our new development, Japanese to English dash conversion of Toyota Corolla AXIO and Corolla Fieldar. All menus and warning messages in its sophisticated color instrument cluster were in Japanese, and there were no user-accessible way to change it to English. There were over 150 Japanese words and phrases in settings and various warning messages. We managed to translate all of them. After conversion, Instrument Cluster displays notifications, statistics, and offers selection of various settings in English. Instrument Cluster now displays various statistics like fuel consumption in English. Apart from normal driving conditions, any error messages or warning will now pop up in English. Thank you for watching.